AKENYA aria marabatara motungata megemaine na kuhingurwo mikiha kumana na kumatagwa thakame hamwe na mathina mangi mari na mweke wa kumatha motungata macio guku bururi-ini. Uu ni thutha wa ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, unyitaniri na thibitari wa Avenue guku Nairobi kuruguria macini ya kuheana motungata maya maria makurikanite ta CATH lab.
We use imaging to go through the blood vessels like a highway to get to the different organs that have a problem, and we're able to deliver treatments to those organs, whether it's a cancer problem or a blocked artery or a stroke where there's a blocked artery to the brain.
We have been taken through the state-of-the-art CATH lab. The team very competent and passionate, well-trained. They are capable of doing a lot of these interventions.
Kuringana na ministry, mubango wa SHA uri na uhoti wa kurugamirira murwaru uramatha motungata maya, na uguo AKENYA matibatie gukorwo na wagagu wegie marihi.
A few years ago the only way was to go to India or other places, so now these are available in Kenya at accessible pricing to more Kenyans, and it's supported through SHA.
Medical tourism remains a concern. We know a lot of our patients are having to look for specialized care, and as government we are committed to reversing that medical tourism. We want Kenyans to be treated here at home.
Arwaru matanyiheire 200 ni mamukirite motungata ma CATH lab thibitari-ini uyu, na kuringana na urugamiriri waguo no meguthie na mbere kuheana motungata ma ikiro cia iguru niguo gutigirira muingi ni watungatirwo uria kwagiriire.
This underscores our commitment to providing patients with access to the most advanced medical technology.
We have a rise in hypertension, diabetes, and other cardiovascular diseases. And these diseases, when they get complicated, then we now have interventions. And as government, we are committed to formulating policies, guidelines, to ensure that all Kenyans, wherever they are able to get this in an affordable manner.
Hamwe noguo thirikari iranire guthie na mbere kunyitanira na anyiti itemi ruhonge-ini ruru niguo gukinyaniria mubango wa UHC.
This is a normal.
Kiribotera Kameme TV Getwo wa Boi wa Njuguna.